All right. A very good afternoon, a very good morning, a very good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome you for the today's live stream for the ECN, regardless in your time zone. So a very good day. And I, Karan Divedi, Chairman of ECN, would like to have a couple of updates for you here, which I would like to share with you, and would like to proceed with this a very short and but very precise stream for the day. So apart from all the good news that all the announcements that are already made to our announcement channels and our social media channels, right? We are going to talk about them at the end. Yes, we are resuming our trading today. In just a few time from now, I believe 1 hour from now, the trading is going to start. So we will talk about that. But I would like to start with the roadmap, because it is important for us to understand. Everybody is waiting for what is the roadmap and how do we see our future with this project, right? So yes, after all the things that we have been through, finally today we are resuming our trading, and we have successfully launched our smart contracts on Tezos, and today we are resuming our uh, trading with the Tezos chain on Bilexi, and we have already launched our smart contract on ERC20, which is Ethereum chain, and we are going with the ERC20 Ethereum chain smart contract on Bithumb. I'll talk about it at the end, but first of all, we need to understand the roadmap for. I will not talk about like 1 year or 2 year, but let us talk about what we can expect in next, let's say, 5 or 6 months. September is coming, and we have like 3-4 months left in this year. So what we can expect this year from this particular project? What are the things which are in the progress and which are already in about to deliver? So I would like to give you a very brief roadmap and would like to make you understand the importance of the roadmap that we are following. So first of all, that we have our head-to-head betting and prediction market DApp, which is already on GitHub from last 2 months. Oracles are integrated. The application is optimized, and I believe in next 1 or 2 days, probably maximum by the Monday, we will be launching our first tutorial video on how to use the DApp. It's the Web3 version application, which can run on any of Web3 Plus browser, where you need to have ECN in order to place your head-to-head betting and prediction market, in order to participate in head-to-head betting and prediction market through your ECN coins. That is a use case, the most strong use case for our project, that anybody who want to explore the decentralized world of prediction market, they have to use our application. We know that in centralized market, this industry is already $1 billion industry. If you look at all these applications like Bet365, DraftKings, FlickerBet, all these places where people are basically participating. Here's a huge community who are participating in prediction market and bets, but these applications and these marketplaces are centralized, right? So we have come up with a decentralized version of the same marketplace. Okay, now if you talk about the marketplace, which is already $1 billion market cap, where a huge community is involved in this industry, we are giving them a platform to come and enjoy the decentralized version of the same industry. What they can do, they can come, they can participate, they can do head-to-head bettings, like one-on-one. There can be group bettings, like a couple of people can participate as a pool in some bets, and also in prediction market. And there will be a couple of announcements, a couple of bets and predictions will be posted from the admin side also, where people can participate. So the tutorial is going to go out by the Monday, that how you can use it. You will be needing the ECN in order to participate in this betting platform, and all your bets and prediction market, all your activities will be executed on blockchain, will be executed on Ethereum blockchain. We are integrating Tezos chain also with our betting app, where later on all the users will be having the access to select the chain, like which chain they want to select to execute their bets or predictions, right? So this betting app application is ready for a long time. We have been waiting for the right time to launch it in the market. We have already given our announcement in the social media and PR. We have done our PR regarding it also. But the first video is going out in next 2-3 days, where people can understand and people can see how it's gonna work. So we have the MVP in the market. After this video, we will gonna launch our dApp, where this is a proof of work. This is a dApp where people can use, like, first use case for the ECN in the prediction and betting market. Your MetaMask wallet and your Tezos wallet will be integrated in the system. So people will have the opportunity to buy ECN by connecting their MetaMask and Tezos wallet on the dApp platform also. And we are coming up with this staking model on that too. So the first good news is that in next 2-3 days, the video, the tutorial on how to use with the what do you call it, with the walkthrough of whole application is going to go out, right? Everybody has been waiting for it in the whole world. People are waiting for this decentralized way of putting the bets and prediction market. So that is on the way. Next thing, if we go to, the next thing is that the next roadmap that we are coming up with a wallet. Now it's very important for us to understand the value of wallet, all right? First, when you are coming up with a wallet, you are already in the elite section. Okay, you are already, I don't know why my fog is coming on my, okay. When you go for the wallet section, right, once you develop and you create and you execute, and when you deploy your wallet, you're already a part of the elite group. And let me remind you also, if we are talking, I'm not talking about Bitcoin based wallet or ERC20 Ethereum chain based wallet or the Tron chain based wallet. For example, I always talk about Trust, which is a product of Binance. Trust was the second IEO on Binance and raised $10 million, because that is the value of a wallet, because you are creating an ecosystem for many other projects. You are giving your wallets to access to many other projects also apart from your particular project. So for example, let me proceed with this. We all know that now we are on Tezos chain, right? On Tezos, you know it very well that there is no wallet which you can download in your Android devices or in your iOS devices. Yeah, there are a couple of wallets like Atomic and some other wallets, like 2 or 3 wallets that Tezos chain already has. But in those wallets, you cannot add a token which is on Tezos chain. You know it very well. You have Tezos there, you have other currencies there, but you are unable to find a single wallet where you can download in your phone or your devices or your computers or your Android phones or iOS phone, where you can download the wallet and you can add your ECN token. You see, that is not possible. There is no wallet with that feature. There is only one open source, there is only one extension which we are using at the moment, which is Temple. You know it, the Temple is the only place where you can add any custom token which is on Tezos blockchain, right? So we not only it's a simple wallet we are coming up with, but yes, we can say the first wallet on Tezos blockchain which is having an application, and along with the application, this wallet has an option of adding the tokens which are on Tezos chain. So we will be the platform for upcoming many projects which are coming on Tezos and which are looking for wallets, which are looking for a platform where they can list their tokens. So we are not creating this ecosystem for ECN only, but the wallet, if you understand me well, the wallet we are coming up with is the platform for ECN, but also many other projects which are launching on Tezos layer 2 will come on this wallet, because we have the adaptivity, we have the feature of adding the tokens and adding the custom tokens on particular chains, not only Tezos, ERC20 and other chains also. It is going to give you the wide visibility. Suppose somebody is coming up a project with the Tezos. They need a wallet, right? We will be the only wallet which they can download, they can add their token, which means that once somebody is going to come with their token on our wallet, we're going to have their users, their community coming on the wallet too. So it is going to make your wallet a lot more visible, a big visibility in terms of, if we just talk about Tezos, this is the first wallet coming in the market, which is having the application and this facility of doing it. So not only the community which is associated with the ECN is going to be on this wallet, but many top-notch good projects coming on Tezos will be on this wallet because they have the facility of having their token available on this wallet. Right? This is why this wallet is so big, and it is going to give you a big token velocity. So the velocity of ECN will be much higher. Okay, all the tokens, with the point number 2, all the tokens coming on with in this wallet will automatically have their pair with ECN. It's automated. So let's say some project ABC came on the Tezos chain and they are looking for a wallet which their users can download. We are the only wallet where their user can download on their phones, iPad or computers, and they can list their tokens, right? And also there will be an automatic pair with the ECN. For example, you have been using TronLink wallet, right? You know that when you go on TronLink wallet, you already have your pair with TRX, with the Tron, right? So this feature will be available, which is going to give ECN a lot of velocity. We call it velocity when you're going to have your token pair automatically with the upcoming tokens. So this is the big platform than we can imagine. This is the biggest platform than we can think of. If I talk about Tezos, the only blockchain which is approved by SEC from US, the only blockchain which has the self-adaptivity of finding out the bugs and fixing it. The only blockchain which don't need fork. Tezos blockchain does not require a fork, does not require to split in 2 chains, not like Bitcoin Cash. This chain has the self-adaptivity of, updating itself. This is why Tezos chain is very strong chain. Apart from it, if I talk about the current situation, my friend, Tezos has already outperformed Bitcoin in terms of regaining the value, because I believe last 1 or 2 months everybody is seeing the big bull run. Then we had some corrections in the market, and now again the market is coming back. So Tezos has already outperformed Bitcoin in terms of the recovery, and also in terms of getting better, also trading at a higher value. Because and when you have your product on such particular blockchain, which has already outperformed other top projects and having a very good scale of trading right now going on, you also become more important to the other crypto space people. And we are not only a token on Tezos blockchain, we are having a decentralized app. That is our first use case. The second use case is that we are coming up with a wallet, a decentralized wallet with the application. And yes, you can expect the wallet very soon. Team is working on it. It's not something which is very easy to make or create. And for Tezos, there is no open source because this is the first kind. When I say first kind, which means you have to build it from scratch. Okay, then we have a bridge coming, a bridge which is going to be, this is also the first kind. There is no bridge between Tezos and Ethereum ERC20, vice versa. Like you can move your tokens from Tezos chain to Ethereum chain, and you can move token back from Ethereum chain to Tezos chain. There is one bridge which gives you the facility of moving Ethereum chain tokens to Tezos chain. That is available. But there is no bridge which can give you the facility of transferring your tokens from Tezos chain to Ethereum ERC20 chain. So this bridge will be integrated in the wallet again. So let me go one by one. Your decentralized app, your use case for the ECN, where most of the globe people will come and participate and will give a lot of transactions on the application, which will give a lot of value to your ECN and adaptation of ECN. Then your wallet is coming, which is again a lot bigger because we are the first kind. A big adaptation is there. The blockchain is huge. Many projects are coming on this blockchain. Many projects are looking for such solutions already. There are already many projects which are only using Temple. They don't have the option of using the wallets because there is no such wallet. So we have already existing community which is looking for wallets, which is going to be our wallet, which will give them the platform to get to come and have their users coming, a easy user interface, and also the upcoming projects. Apart from this, we are coming up with our launchpad on our wallet that we have been talking about from a long time. There are basically couple of kinds of launchpad, but the launchpad that we are talking about is the launchpad which gives the access to the community. All top projects, if you see, they don't need money, you know, they raise good funds in their private rounds, they have good investors backing them, and they have everything perfect regarding their listings, regarding their adaptivity, and also regarding their information in social media, like something very big is under development and coming. But after having the sufficient, more than sufficient funds and investments and products and everything, all the projects, when they go on the public, on the exchange, before going to the exchange, all of them, they want their holders. They want their, a community. Definitely, when they are a part of all these PRs and talking about their projects in different platforms, they get certain community. But all of them, they need to get an access to a huge community. And as all of us know, that we have more than 100,000 people in our community, and also we have more than approximately 70,000 people in our just social media platforms. So all these top-notch projects, which we will select very craftfully, making sure that the project is good, worthy, because for us, the community and our launchpad is more important than any monetary relation or something like that. So our people, the holders of ECN, the certain amount of holders of ECN will be able to participate in these projects and will be able to get access, will be able to get their hands on these projects, an early place before going to the public. So you can see that you will have a platform from where, if everything goes well and the market sentiments goes well, and if the project goes well, you will be exiting with the multifold profits. So this launchpad will also come on the same wallet, where our community can participate, and also we have other communities coming on our wallet, which is going to give you a huge visibility. I already spoke about it. Will be able to participate in those in that launchpad, And if the people are from the other community, they will be needing the ECN also to participate in such launchpad. For example, if we say that, let's say more than the people who have more than 10,000 ECN in their wallet, only they can participate in this launchpad, participate in these projects where they can get exit with the multi-folded results on exchange, right? After due diligences, all good projects. So we are trying to come up with our launchpad as soon as possible. So first is wallet, bridge, applications for Android and iOS, which will be launched all together. Then a launchpad on it. And then the first project, we already have more than 40 projects in the pipeline, very good projects. And then we will select the first project on this launchpad for the public round before going to the exchange, where the certain holders of ECN will be able to participate. It doesn't matter they are the holders of the ECN from our community or they are from the other tokens which are listed on our wallet, and they buy the ECN and participate in this launchpad. So if you can see that there will be a huge number of people who will be holding the ECNs from other community also to participate in this launchpad. And then in future we will also come up with the swap option, where you can swap between the different currencies in the wallet. So this is wallet, which is coming. dApp and wallet with the exchange and all these services, and first wallet. And already there are many projects which are looking for this service. So we will be onboarding those projects, those tokens, the day we launch. And probably in next few days, it will be there. We have couple of events coming, okay? In October, we have 3 events. Back-to-back 3 events where you will see your ECN on top platforms with the all these things talking in the future blockchain summits and other summits, right? So our motto is to come up with the wallet and launchpad before these events. So if I say so, it means that we are trying days and night to get our launchpad, wallet, launchpad, and one project delivered on launchpad before 10th of October, which means that we have only approximately 44 days left for all these things. So dApp launching, dApp video is coming, your wallet is coming, the first wallet on Tezos chain, which is going to give the accessibility to the tokens which are on Tezos but don't have the access to any wallet because there is no wallet, and we have raised no funds regarding this. There is no ICO, there is no private round, nothing. This is our own project. All right. And when you say this, can you believe how much value we may get? I'm not saying we will get, we may get from Tezos directly. And if everything goes well, I don't know till what extent they come and they support us. I mean, they can promote us, they can market us, they can do so many things with us. So I'm looking forward to a huge relationships with the Tezos Foundation, with this application and with this development. So all these things are already in the roadmap, and I have told you before 10th of October, we are planning to get these things in place, delivered, so that we can have our project completed and we can go on stage on all these top platforms. We have applied for GITEX also, which is the world's biggest expo, Future Blockchain Expo. More than 200,000 people are coming. 170,000 people are already registered for the event, which is happening in Dubai, conducting by the Dubai government. You can go see GITEX, is huge event. So we are trying to get ourselves ready. The event starts from 15th of October. So we are trying to get ourselves ready before that timeline so that we can complete our whole product, and we will be ready to thrive the crypto space. Now I would like to, after this, I would like to also tell you a very simple 2 or 3 minutes of how it works. Okay. So let's not talk about ECN for 2-3 minutes. Let me give you a very simple story. Bitcoin came in 2009. Okay. I believe 3rd January 2009, and on 9th of January, the first transaction on blockchain took place. All right. Usually before, the For the mining, it was 50 bitcoins for one block mining. 50 bitcoins were the reward, which halving every 4 years. So in 2013, it became 25 bitcoin for the mining reward. In 2017, it became 12.5 bitcoins for mining reward. In 2021, it becomes 6.25 bitcoin for mining reward. And if you see the history, first bull run 2013, second bull run 2017, third bull run 2021. Because everybody knows that after this particular point, the reward for the mining will be half than the previous rewards, right? 60%, more than 60% of Bitcoin was mined when its value was less than $200. What made it come to $50,000? Because people with the large holdings had the vision. People were waiting for more use cases. People were waiting for more adaptations. People were waiting for more bigger ecosystem. Otherwise, it would have not reached to this point. When I say 60% of Bitcoin was mined already when it was less than $200. Can you imagine those people who have these Bitcoins, they're keeping it? Because this is how the price mechanism work, you know. All these big holders, they keep their coins in their wallet, which means a very less supply of the coins are available in the exchange. When you have less supply available on exchange and when you have more buyers, the value of coin goes up automatically. And these holders, their value automatically goes up without performing in any activity, without performing in any trading. Okay, so also we all know that approximately 83% of Bitcoins are already mined. 2030, 97% of the Bitcoins will be mined, and the last 3% will remain for 110 more years, which is 2140. I don't know what's going to happen after that, but I'm just trying to tell you here is that for any project to grow, the community sentiments are important. The first Bitcoin, like everybody knows, 10,000 Bitcoins were paid to buy 2 pizzas. Now that amount of Bitcoin can buy more than 343 million pizzas. So it doesn't happen in 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or 1 year or 2 years. Everybody was waiting for the currency to go through the mass adaptation, currency to go through more corrections, currency to go through more, can be used in more places, more use cases, and started being used as a payment mode and started being accepted. And now you know that most of the top payment providers are accepting it, which is helping it growing its visibility and helping it more bigger adaptation. Only 4% people of the globe are in blockchain space. You are in blockchain space, you must consider yourself enough fortunate. Still 96% people are not in this space. Can you understand the fact? If you are in this space, if you understand this technology even a little bit and holding any of these digital assets, you are already among the 4% people of the globe. With the fast adaptation, you will feel very premier in some time. The way you think when you meet somebody and the person say, I got my first Bitcoin in 2012 when it was $70 or $50, you feel like, wow, why did I not get it? After 10 years, the upcoming people will say, when you meet them, that, okay, I had ECN and I had these coins in 2021, they will say, okay, why did not I get it then? So this is a proven track. This is a proven history. It depends how valuable you think your project is. How valuable you think the assets you are holding in your hand is. Is that value is 40 cents? Is the value is 60 cents? Is the value is $1 or $10 or $100 or $1,000? It is your own perception on how valuable you think your project is, your technology is. It's not that the people have not sold Bitcoin in the past. Many people sold it also because they were unable to evaluate, unable to understand this. When I was trying to come here in my first of my this particular streaming, I told you the further roadmap. I told you what is coming. I told you a bigger adaptation. I told you a platform which is going to be heaven for Tezos blockchain based token, the first platform. And although also there are many projects already which will be here on the platform. And this platform is ECN platform. This platform will gonna have a launchpad on it, where people will be able to participate on the upcoming projects. And why this launchpad is very important, because all the projects need community. It doesn't matter how big the project is. They want holders before they go to the exchange. They want to have thousands and thousands of people participate in their project, talk about their project. How strong and how valuable your launchpad gonna be, you know it better, because you are a community on that launchpad. So how far you see your project, how valuable you see if you have ECN in your hand, is your vision, is your perception. All the projects which comes, they don't, I don't ask you to keep it. I will never ask you not to sell it. I will never ask you to buy it. It's financial advices on a public traded project are not recommendable. So I'm not here to give you advices whether to buy, whether to sell, whether to hold. No. I want you to hear me well what I said, and I want you to understand how valuable you think your coin is. And then you take your decision. All right. So apart from this small thing, because I believe in some time the trading is going to start as well, I would like to tell you that you can see my background also. So we have got the listing announcement on Bithumb yesterday. Congratulations. And we have got the, we have not given the date yet on Bithumb, because we are waiting for some testing on it, and also we are having some marketing activities on Bithumb. Okay, we are going for the airdrop round, we are going for the AMA sessions, we are going for trading competition, and all these things will be announced before we go to list on the exchange on the Bithumb. So all these marketing activities will be there where you can come and participate. We will hold these AMA sessions, ask me anything live, and all these things, trading competitions, airdrop competitions to a Bithumb community. And then we're gonna give, once we decide all this timeline, I believe 2 weeks from now is a good time. Any between 15 to 20 days, we will have our date on the announcement, where you can go and you can have ECN with the USDT pair, but this ECN will be on Ethereum chain. Meanwhile, you will have your bridge ready, so you will be able to swap your ECNs among Tron chain, Tezos chain and the Ethereum chain. So you will have this visibility, okay, and you will be able to do trading on Bithumb also. This is just a start. I am very positive and very optimistic looking at the development end, looking at the technology that we have been doing, looking at the resources and the team that we have, and everything happens for good, I believe. If we would have not come on Tezos, we would have not able to create the wallet which is first of its kind. And you are in 2021 and you are talking about a wallet which is the first wallet. It's very, very exciting and very honorable progress for all of us as a community, as a token holder of the project. So I would like to wish you a very good luck. I would like to wish you a very good future. You determine the value of your ECNs in your wallet. You determine the right time, the best time to buy or sell is up to you, because our journey has started. And we are going to have a big visibility because of the features that we have, because of the project that we are launching. It's already have demand in the market. So there are two kinds of projects. One project that you go, you create the demand and you give the supply. And there's other kind of project which is already in demand and you create a supply. So we are creating a supply for the project, not only for betting, not only for decentralized prediction market or head-to-head betting, but we are also giving an ecosystem to a very strong blockchain and projects coming on that blockchain. All right, so these things will make us look very big and very unique and give us a lot of token velocity in the future, a lot of not only appreciations but adaptation. And this is just a start. So I don't want to give you 2 years of roadmap. I just gave you the roadmap for next 2 months, or let's say 45 days. These 45 days and our deliveries on these 45 days, after 20th of October, we will be looking at stage 2 of ECN, because this is stage 1 of ECN. All right, and this stage 1 itself is very unique, very strong, and very powerful. And then we will look into the stage 2, where we will be looking into more projects on this launchpad and our community participation in staking and so many things. So congratulations for your trading, which is going to resume in some time on Bilexa. There's a big FOMO going on in the groups. So keep your FOMO, keep yourself optimistic. No financial advice from my side, my friend. Take your decisions, evaluate the value of your project in your hand yourself, because this is the 0 point for us, and in next 45 days we will be at some good point with some bigger value with more velocity. So and also Bithumb and couple of more exciting news are there, which I don't want to announce today. Wait for my next stream, and many news you will come to know from the market itself. All right, because we have other communities already talking about the project, and you will come to know on social media through them also. So thank you so much for live streaming today. May God bless you, keep you healthy, wealthy, and prosperous. Stay happy, stay connected. Community is everything. If the community comes together with the same mindset, they can do miracle. I have given you the example of Bitcoins, I believe the mother currency of cryptocurrency. I don't want to give you the example of some other currencies. That's why I kept the example for Bitcoin, that the major community was believing in the longevity and believing in the product. And they have seen the rise of a currency in last 1 decade. All right. So as a community, if you have the good sentiments, if you have the same goal, definitely you can do miracle, and you will be very strong in the crypto space. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead. It's a big day for us. Definitely we will celebrate it very well. Take care, and let's see where we end today. Where is we gonna have ECN traded at what price? Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye. Thank you.